Today we're looking at a new camera system from TP-Link Tapo. This is the C465. It's a battery powered with a built-in solar panel. We're going to show you how to get it up and running, install it in the app, how to install the camera itself, and then we'll take a look at some of the footage that you can get in 4K quality. Folks, this is a Tapo C465 installation video. Let's start at the unboxing to show you what you get inside of this kit. Everything you need to get it up and running. Of course, the camera with that built-in solar panel. You have the mounting brackets. That's all magnetic powered, and we'll show you how to install that. And of course, you have the user quick start guide and everything you need for installation. But the first thing you want to do is install the camera inside of the app, and I recommend you do this indoors. Just go to add camera, find the outdoor camera, and then find the C465. They got a lot of cameras. From there, once it's fully charged, you'll notice that it'll be blinking, so you just say it's already red and green. And from there, the Tapo app does all the work for you, asks you to connect to your wireless network, and boom, just like that. Here you want to make sure you name it correctly. My Amazon Alexa is already connected with it, so I can review it on my smart display. You then tell where it goes, find the appropriate icon. It's amazing. They have an icon for pretty much every one of those cameras, and that keeps it nice and organized. Folks, that's how easy it is to set inside of the app. You have the option for their cloud storage. I recommend, however, just getting a micro SD card, installing it for local storage. That way you don't have to pay for a subscription cloud storage. Now let's talk about the camera install. And folks, it is so easy. 2 screws, that plate, and look, it connects magnetically like that. And then you would mount the camera magnetically onto that. So all I have to do is put that plate up there, take 2 screws, and then screw it in. And then that other piece is gonna go right onto it magnetically and not move. Now here's the camera. You notice that it has that built-in solar panel. You can tilt it any direction that you want. On the bottom is the power button and where you insert the micro SD card. You also notice that it has that screw mount, so if you have a different type of mount, you can screw it on the bottom or on the side, but it's also magnetic. So with the built-in kit, all I have to do is place it, it magnetically connects, and then you just have to adjust it to the way you want. My handy tip is get your phone out and then basically look at that real-time footage to get it at the perfect angle that makes it, exactly what you want. Here's a look at the footage. I'm gonna exit the privacy mode, and you can see that is a 4K footage. And with your fingers, you can pan tilt. I'm gonna tilt it all the way up to like 9 times zoom because I want to see if anyone tries to jump over that fence way back there, I should be able to see it now. And that's the reason why I placed the camera here. Now let's take a look at the in-app footage, folks. Here is a video of me just kind of walking by. This was towards the evening. My motion sensor lights had already gone out. The footage is pretty good. You can see with my finger, I'm just kind of pen and tilting to zoom in to get a closer look at myself. And look how far that camera is, right from back there. But it's because of that 4K footage, you're able to really punch in and see a good resolution. If this was security footage and say you needed to keep it and give it to the authorities and maybe share it on social media, you download it onto your phone. This is what it's gonna look like. From there, you have your own dedicated MP4 file that you could share to the police or even upload it to social media if you want to alert all your neighbors of somebody who is in the neighborhood. So a great camera system to monitor a fixed location. If there's one location that you want, this camera does it, and it does it with solar panel and 4K resolution. Very, very impressive. So, what are my final thoughts about this camera? Again, if you are trying to monitor a dedicated area, you don't need any pan tilt functions, this is a great camera because you put that micro SD card, you have solar panel, a one-time install, and you're gonna be able to monitor. What I do recommend is to set up your notifications and also the detection zones for each of those notification types, because the last thing you want is all these notifications every time. You can also set the time of day of when to get notifications. For example, I don't need to see stuff going on during the daytime, but I might want to see stuff at night, and you select the different types of activity types to get those notifications. But again, my recommendation is to go inside of the app, schedule the exact type of notifications and the time of day to which you want to get those notifications, and that is really going to help you monitor your area. So if you're looking for a battery-powered security camera system, this from TP-Link, the Tapo C465 is highly recommended. Handy Andy signing out. Be sure to like and subscribe.